Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I got asked a really good question. I've done tons of videos before on how to avoid duplicate patients in your clinical trials, but this one, I got a question on how is it safe, first of all, for subjects to do multiple clinical trials in a year, and maybe over the period of 5 or 7 years, they've done 30 clinical trials. And this could be a problem in the phase 1 industry. Unfortunately, that I know of, there are no regulations preventing this from happening. Usually each protocol has their own restrictions in the inclusion-exclusion criteria, such as subject should not have taken the IP, the investigational product, in the past. But as far as just doing a number of clinical trials, even if they're not all at the same time, there's nothing that really prevents study participants from doing that. There's usually a waiting time in between studies of like 30 to 90 days. Sometimes it's 6 months. And the other restriction is what I've said, taking the same investigational product in a different study is not allowed either, usually, for the most part. But it's a very good question. I know a lot of phase 1 study participants actually do like 5 trials a year. And over the period of 5 years, it could be like 25, 30 studies. Um, Good question. There's nothing going on that there are no regulations to prevent this from happening, but it poses a good ethical question, and I like it. I like the question. Thanks, and let me know what you guys think about this. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.